Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good evening. Today I'm going to show you how to make cake batik.
Before we start making cake batik, we first need to prepare the ingredients. For the ingredients, we need 250 grams of butter, full cream milk and condensed milk. We also need Milo powder and cocoa powder. Next, we need vanilla essence and salt. And lastly, we need Mary biscuits. First, put the pan on low heat. Second, add in 250 grams of butter. Let the butter melt. Secondly, pour in the condensed milk. Thirdly, add the Milo powder. Don't forget to mix up everything. After that, add in the cocoa powder. Now, add the full cream milk. Pour in the vanilla essence. Don't forget to put in the salt. Next, switch off the heat and put in the Mary biscuits. Put the biscuits on a baking sheet.
Next, press in the mixture.
Lastly, chill it overnight in the refrigerator. Thank you for watching.